not sure if you should sell your house or rent your current home out? That's a great question to ask. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and we are here to answer your question. Does it make sense to sell or rent your current house as an investment property after you purchase your new home? So here's the things to consider if it makes sense to sell your current home. Is there a high demand for homes in your neighborhood? Does your home need a lot of repairs and updates before it would appeal to renters? Do you live in an area that is enticed by renters, and does your HOA allow renters? Do you have the time, energy, and know-how to be a landlord, or are you willing to allow a management company to do the day in and day outs of an investment property? Now, on the other hand, in considering renting, if that's the way to go, if you owe more on your home than you can actually sell it for, so that by renting it out, you can cover the mortgage with a rental income. Maybe the housing market is not strong in your area and you'd prefer to sell once the market picks up a little bit more for a stronger price. Perhaps you're willing to learn the ins and outs of becoming a landlord and you're excited about transforming your home into a financial asset. Still have questions? Don't go through this alone. We look forward to talking with you. We know your area, we know the opportunities. Let's talk. Is it better to sell or rent before purchasing your next home?